Today, we're going to look at a new kind of AI tool that was built specifically for educators. It's called Google Gems, and it's promising to be the specialized AI teaching assistant that a lot of folks have been waiting for. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. Okay, if you're an educator who's played around with AI, this probably sounds all too familiar, right? You've got this great idea, but you end up spending half your time just trying to explain the basic context. The grade level, the specific curriculum standards, the teaching method you use. It can feel like you're stuck in this really frustrating loop. And this slide, it just lays it all out, plain and simple. Over on the left, you've got the problem with most AI. It's a blank slate every single time. But on the right, you see how a specialized gem is totally different. It's designed to remember your instructions and understand your context. That's what turns it from just a tool into a real thought partner.
Let's be real. While AI has this enormous promise, it doesn't always deliver for teachers. Sometimes the language is just off, or it completely misunderstands the educational context, or there's just a mismatch between what you're asking for and what the AI was trained on. It just misses the mark.
But what if you had an AI assistant that was already trained on your specific needs? Well, that is the exact problem that Google Gems were built to solve.
So, what are gems exactly? Well, think of them as custom, specialized versions of Google's Gemini. You can set them up to remember your unique teaching style, the specific standards you need to follow, and the grade level you teach. That way, you don't have to keep re-explaining yourself every single time you have a question.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds pretty great, but I do not have time to build my own custom AI from the ground up. And the good news is, you don't have to. In fact, get this, there are over 100 free pre-made gems available for educators right now. An AI expert named Eric Kurtz has put together this amazing collection at edugems.ai, and people are calling it a true AI treasure chest for teachers.
And here's what Kurtz himself has to say. The big thing to notice here is the focus on how easy they are to use and share. This isn't just for you working alone. Entire schools can create and share their own collections that are perfectly aligned with their curriculum and their materials. It's all about collaboration. Let's just quickly break down the key benefits. First, they're easy to use and share. Check. But this next point is a total game changer. You can ground them with up to 10 of your own files. Just imagine feeding a gem your entire semester syllabus and a key textbook. Then you could just ask it to create a pop quiz for Chapter 4 that perfectly matches your learning goals. On top of all that, they're free, you can use them as much as you want, and school accounts have data privacy protection built right in. Okay, so that's the what. But how does this actually look in the classroom? Let's talk about the practical side of things, what you can actually do with these gems. For teachers, the applications are just huge. Think about it. Instantly generating creative lesson hooks or bell ringers. Using a slideshow maker that already knows your content. A grading partner to help you write better feedback. An emergency subplan generator for those crazy mornings. Or even a professional learning coach. The possibilities are massive. And hey, it's not just a tool for teachers. Think about what your students could do. They could use an AI to debate a topic with, a tool to help them create a graphic novel, or a gem that gives them learning scaffolds or guided notes for tough subjects. They could even use one to generate a vocabulary list or an exit ticket.
All of this brings us to a really, really important point. This technology is not about replacing teachers. It's about amplifying what they can do.
And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? By using these gems as a design partner, teachers can amplify the most human parts of their job. They can offload some of that administrative weight, the formatting, the standards alignment, and free up their time and energy for what actually matters.
And this is why it's so important. It lets teachers focus on what they do best, sparking curiosity in their students, building real relationships, and being fully present for those incredible aha moments when a student's eyes light up because they finally get it.
So the real question isn't if educators will use these tools, but how. With a specialized AI thought partner ready and waiting to help you out, what will you create first?